Hello everyone. Today we are going to open this magic toolbox. Inside we have some super tools we use at home and in the garden. First one, meet Mr. Hammer. This helps us drive nails into wood. And pull them out. Next one is this is a saw. There are different types of saws: hand saw, hacksaw, chainsaw. A saw cuts wood into pieces. It has sharp teeth. It doesn't bite you, but make sure to keep your fingers away from this sharp blade. This is a wrench according to American pronunciation. This is a spanner according to British pronunciation. Twist and turn. A wrench helps tighten and loosen nuts and bolts. No more leaky pipes. This is a screwdriver. A screwdriver turns screws in and out. Screws in and out. Next one. Ooh. This is a spade. A spade looks like a shovel. This helps plant flowers and dig small holes in the garden. Our last tool is this is a scratch awl, also called marking awl, point awl. This tool helps in making small marks in wood or metal materials. Think of it like a pencil for hard materials. Wow! Today we learned amazing tools we use at home. Now tell me, which tool do you use the most at home? Comment below. See you next time. Bye bye.